Hello there, in this particular lecture, we are going to learn about how to set up a React app with Vite. Well, if you are watching this lecture, it means that you are going to start your journey in React, and this is the very first topic which every developer learns before going to React, obviously, right? So, in this particular lecture, I'll tell you that how you can do it very easily in a very detailed way. Even I will also explain you that why we learn Vite, why we work with Vite, why don't we normally download the React only. Well, there is a better explanation for that, and to understand that, let's go to our video. Let's start. So let's first understand that what is Vite. Well, Vite is a modern building tool, right? That makes your front-end developer faster and easier. It means that if you are using this tool with your React app, it will make the development work more faster and much more easier. The earlier React app was not very fast. It takes a long time to load the things. It need to save the components or save the part of code again and again to see the work and the development process. Well, this could be solved out using Vite, right? It provides a blazing fast startups and hot module replacement with the native ES modules. Now let's understand that what are the use that why we use Vite with React. Well, it provide a faster setup compared to the create React app. Means the earlier when you use React app, for that you use create React app, right? For by this you install the React. But now with the Vite, the setup is more faster than your React app, right? And it provide instant updates while coding. Means that when you code and just when you switch your tab or you press on Control plus S, or you just move to your Chrome browser, automatically the part of code which you have written there get updated, and you see the whole development process much faster, right? It uses the ES build for faster building bundling, sorry, right? Yeah. So there are certain advantages of using Vite. That is, it has a fast server startup and HMR. It provides a modern JavaScript support out of the box, right? And it is easy to integrate. It is easy to integrate with tools like Tailwind, React Router. These are the tools which we use in the development process to make the thing better and much more faster. Which is basically React is known for these kind of things because it provides the integration. React provides the integration of these features and tools, but this Vite make those integration much more easier and faster. So let's go to our Visual Studio Code and understand that how we can download our React app. Let's start. So we came inside our Visual Studio Code, right? And I'm having a blank folder, right? Inside of this, I'm going to install my React. So for that, what we need to do, first we need to click on Control plus backtick button, which is below your escape key. By that, the terminal will get opened. Now you can see here it is showing me the folder structure, that is inside the C drive. I'm having a folder named frontend web development frontend. Inside this, I'm having a folder named React.js lecture. Right now, for installing your Vite with React, first you need to write npm, then write create, and then write the Vite at the rate latest, and then press enter. Well, this will prompt you to name your project and choose a framework for your React app, right? Now, you can see here, it is asking me the project name. So, if you want to name your project, just write something like lecture 1 and then press enter. Now, it will ask you to select a framework. So, you will select what? You will select the React, that is on number 3rd. Then press enter, and then it will ask you about what language which you like TypeScript or JavaScript or something else. Well, we will use the JavaScript here. For the TypeScript, we will create the lecture in the future, but normally we use JavaScript. So just go on JavaScript and press the enter and done. Yeah, you can see I'm having a folder which is lecture 1. Let's click on it. You can see all the folders and files are now downloaded. These are the main files of your React app. And then for further, what we do, first go to the lecture 1 folder, that is, sorry, see, you can see, let me, okay, now let's write cd lecture 1. Lecture 1 is your folder. We are going inside of it. Just click enter. Now you are inside the folder. Now here you write npm install. Just click on it, and all the packages which are required in your React app are now getting downloaded. As you can see here, the process is ongoing. It might take some time, but yeah, after that, everything will be done. As you can see here, the things get downloaded. These are just the warnings. We don't need to focus on that. And further, to start your React app, just simply write npm run dev and press enter. Now your React app is starting. It means whatever the thing here you can see, this whole thing is starting a React app, creating a React app, and that I am starting by using the command or a prompt name npm run dev. Now simply go on this link, and this is your React app. Fine. This is your React app, and this is the first interface which React provides you from itself. Now, if you want to change that, we can do easily by changing the files and the code inside of it, right? So it is like very easy method to do it. Here you can see one thing, that is this index.html. What is this? Like all the files which you are seeing here, what are these files? Well, index.html is the main entry HTML file. Whatever the thing which is happening is coming from here. You can see here I'm having a title. If you want to rename it, like I want to rename it with Piyush, right? So if you go to your React app, you can see that in the top, right, the name is changed to Piyush. How? The thing is that everything is connected with this index.html file, right? Yeah. And you can see the script tag is taking up to the source of main.jsx. Now what is this main.jsx? This is your main.jsx file. As you can see here, the main.jsx file is the entry JavaScript file that mounts the React app, the complete React app. As you can see here, here is one of the component, that is app, and this is coming from where? From the app.jsx. Now app.jsx is the main React component. Everything which you can see on the website is coming from this app.jsx. Whatever the code is written is from here. As you can see here, like you can see the Vite plus React. I want to change it simply. You can see h1 tag is having Vite plus React. Let's name it Piyush. Sorry, let's move Piyush. Let's write the main thing, that is subscribe the channel. Right now, if you go on here, you can see fine. And when you click on it here on that, you can see the number is increasing. This is how you have to increase the number of subscribers on the channel, by clicking it, the subscribe button, right? Yeah. So everything which you can see they're working is actually the part of the code which is written here. And one more thing, that is white.config.js. This last one file, it is also very important. Well, this is the configuration file for White. So if you are going to add on something or just want to change some plugins, you need to work with this file, white.config.js file, right? So this is the main thing about your React. I have already told you that why we use White as a tool with your React and what are the advantages of that. So by doing this, you can install your React application uh, in your folder and use it, right? So this was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, which we will definitely meet in the next video with a fresh new topic, and take our journey of React JS more faster and more better. Let's go and goodbye.